Hello, my name is Zachariah Jaweed, and for my presentation on my favorite part of the brain, I chose the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe, also known as the brain's powerhouse, when we delve into the intricate workings of the human brain, the frontal lobe stands out as a fascinating and vital region located at the front of the brain. This part is responsible for a myriad of functions that define our personality, decision making, and voluntary movements. As someone who is deeply intrigued by the complexities of the human mind, the frontal lobe is my favorite part of the brain. The frontal lobe is my favorite part of the brain due to its critical role in shaping who we are and how we interact with the world around us. The frontal lobe is often referred to as the control panel of our personality and our ability to communicate. It is involved in the higher cognition functions such as problem solving, memory, language, judgment, and impulse control. One of the most compelling aspects of the frontal lobe is its role in executive functions, those mental skills that help us manage time, pay attention, switch focus, plan and organize, and remember details. These executive functions are crucial for navigating the complexities of everyday life, making the frontal lobe indispensable. Another fascinating function of the frontal lobe is its involvement in motor function and in motor skills. The primary motor cortex, located within the frontal lobe, helps control voluntary movements. This area is essential for activities ranging from typing on a keyboard to playing an instrument to even engaging in sports. The precision and coordination required for these activities highlight the frontal lobe's importance in our daily lives. Moreover, the frontal lobe is integral to our emotional life and social interactions. It helps regulate emotions and is involved in the empathy of understanding others' feelings, which are essential for maintaining healthy relationships. This aspect of the frontal lobe underscores its role in making us social beings who can connect with others on a deep level. Interesting, Interestingly, the frontal lobe's significance is also evident in various medical and psychological conditions. Damage to this area, whether through injury or disease, can lead to profound changes in a person's behavior, personality, and cognitive abilities. And then I learned that, people can get, there's this thing called lobotomy, where people can get a part of their front brain like scratched off and then their whole personality changes. So it's pretty cool how a lobotomy provides a stark example of the consequences of damaging the frontal lobe. Lobotomies were once considered a treatment for various mental illnesses involving the severing of a connections in the brain's prefrontal cortex. This procedure often resulted in significant alterations to the person's behavior and personality. Patients who underwent lobotomies frequently experienced reduced emotional responses, lack of initiative, and impaired decision making abilities. This procedure was performed widely in the mid 20th century, is now largely discredited, and viewed as a brutal and misguided attempt to treat mental illness. The devastating effects of lobotomies underscore the critical importance of the frontal lobe in maintaining the complex interplay of cognitive and emotional functions that make us who we are. In conclusion, the frontal lobe is my favorite part of the brain because of its paramount role in defining who we are as individuals. It governs our ability to think critically, move purposefully, and interact socially, making it a cornerstone of human experience. Whether it's through managing our daily tasks, expressing our emotions, or connecting with others, the frontal lobe's contributions are unparalleled. Its importance is even echoed in popular culture, albeit in fictionalized and dramatized ways, reminding us of the profound impact this part of the brain has on our lives. The history of lobotomy procedures serves as a sobering reminder of the potential consequences of tampering with the frontal lobe, highlighting its vital role in maintaining our cognitive and emotional well being. Thank you. Have a good day.